Hey, we have a terrific product for you out there. It is a home equity line of credit, and the approval is literally just 5 minutes. The process is very streamlined. It actually takes about 10 days just to get your funds. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President CEO of Fresh Home Loan Inc., independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. And this is a very, very cool product. Again, approval in 5 minutes. I basically set up some information. You fill out the rest. You'll get your approval. See how much you qualify for as far as an equity line is concerned. And this is a fixed or adjustable line of credit. It's pretty incredible. I don't know any others like it, and you can use it to do whatever you want. But essentially, I see a lot of clients using this to consolidate debt, paying off higher interest rate credit cards. The rate will probably be about 10+% lower than what you're paying on your credit cards right now. I see a lot of people using it for home improvements, bridge financing to buy other property. I even had a client use it for vacation over the summer. No kidding. And also, it's great for emergencies. I've had people inquire about college funds for it. And again, it is fixed or adjustable. If you do have an adjustable line, it's a 10-year draw on this product. So you have 10, you'll have it for 10 years. And it funds in as little as 5 days. We can get lines of credit up to $500,000. So any more information, please, call me, email me, etc. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO, Fresh Home Loan Inc. I do appreciate you. I appreciate you sending this to clients or friends or family who may need this information. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. Peace out.